Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Take It Easy. Today we will talk about how to set up Google Meet on Windows. It's very easy, you don't have to install anything, you just have to go to Google and search Google Meet. To use this feature, you have to sign into Google first, so let's sign in first. Now that you're inside, we have 3 ways you can set up a meeting. Let's start from the first. Get a meeting link. You can just copy the link, click here to copy, and close. Now from there you can just paste this link and join. Voila, everything is already set up. You just have to wait to join the meeting. You can use the same links that I used to get inside this website and send it to other people on your own, or you can use this option here to add a lot of people. For example, let's copy this email I just set up, put it here, and you can send email from here. They will receive the email with the links inside, and they just need to go into the Google Meet to join this conversation. Okay, now you just have to wait for other people to join, and that's it. We can finish the meeting now and move on to the second method. Second method is just starting instant meeting. You don't have to set up anything, just wait until it's available and then join the room. And here's the same link we used before. You can send it on your own or use the same method as before to send it to other people. And everything else is the same. Just have to wait until everyone's here and you can talk with other people. That's it. Let's leave the call here. And for the last method is slightly more complicated, but it's still easy to learn. Let's just click it there. They'll automatically open Google Calendar and you need to fill out a few things. For example, the meeting title, let's say meeting 1. That's the time. And then all the other details, you don't have to fill in most of this. Just if you want, you can put description. And you can add guesses here, same with the previous one. You just copy and paste the email address and press enter. And for now, there are 2 people inside this conversation later. Now, when everything is done, you can just save the Google Calendar guest and send the invitation. Now, you can see the meeting here, and you can join from here as well if you want. You automatically open a new window. Just follow the prompts and join the meeting. That's it. Everything is all in order. Just have to wait for other people to join and then you can continue with your meeting. And when you're done, just close everything and everything is done. That's everything from Let's Take It Easy. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to call us at 0386 521589. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you.